Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates from the world of technology. In today's video, we have some exciting news from Tesla, one of the world's most innovative electric car makers. Tesla Incorporated has resumed taking orders for its long-range Model 3 version in the United States after a temporary halt last year due to delivery backlogs. The company's website showed late on Tuesday that the long-range version of the entry-level Model 3 is now priced at $47,240, which is about 18.5% less than its previous price of $57,990. CEO Elon Musk had temporarily halted taking orders for the long-range Model 3 version in the United States and Canada last year due to a long waitlist. Musk tweeted at the time, "Waitlist is too long. We'll enable again as we ramp production." Tesla expects to resume delivery of the long-range Model 3 electric sedan in June, according to the website. However, it is still not accepting orders in Canada at this time. The long-range version of the entry-level Model 3 has a range of more than 325 miles, 523 kilometers, on a single charge, making it one of the most efficient electric cars on the market. To boost sales, Tesla has been regularly modifying the prices of its vehicles since the start of this year. The company slightly increased prices on Tuesday in Canada, China, Japan, and the United States after reducing them earlier this year. That's all for today's video on Tesla's latest update. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting news and updates from the world of technology. Thanks for watching.